Rochelle, you sounded like a songbird, an absolute songbird. I don't think you did one note wrong there, but it was like a songbird. It was so amazing. Now, Leona Lewis herself has inspired many vocalists. You know, she obviously started out on the X Factor. She broke out massively in America. Is she an inspiration for you? You've chosen one of her songs?
Yeah, she was one of them. I have a few, but yeah.
Yeah, she's obviously one of them.
Yeah.
I mean, this song itself is very challenging. You've picked a song with really big notes. You hit those notes perfectly, every key. Do you find it difficult to reach those high notes? Because I've noticed as well you sing in a high key. Tell me, do you ever find it hard?
No, not really.
You seem to do it so easily.
No, people say that because I was told that I should try opera as well, but I'm not sure about that one.
Why have they suggested opera to you?
Because I guess it's like the high notes and stuff, because they think I'm capable too.
Yeah, soprano definitely. I mean, alto you wouldn't have a problem with anyway. You probably sound like you'd have great vocal range, but your soprano is magnificent. There are a lot of current artists like Sam Smith, Ellie Goulding, that tend to sing in this high key, and they manage to maintain it like yourself. So you've done extremely well. So well done with that. Is there any particular artist that you'd like to collaborate with if you had the opportunity to? So say Junior Star Singer was there for you and you won it, you've got that chance, there you are doing your shows. Anyone in particular that stands out to you, think, yes, I do want to work with that person, get in the studio with them and write a song? Who would it be?
Probably be like someone like Beyonce or something.
Definitely. She's the one that you think, yeah, she's the one. Yeah. What song of hers do you like? Any particular songs at the moment?
I did her song before. I did Love on Top before with a group. And I like the song Listen as well that she did. They're my top two.
Yeah. And you've picked soul artists as well, R&B soul artists. Are they the ones that stand out to you the most? Would you like to sort of follow that genre of music?
Yeah, and I like pop as well.
Yeah, so a bit of pop R&B maybe. Well done. You've done extremely well, and I'll be rooting for you. So take care and keep listening in on Junior Star Singer. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I'm here with Luke Richards. How are you, Luke?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Now, a normal question I would ask one of our contestants, but you're not a contestant now, are you? You were a contestant.
I've been a contestant already.
On Brooklands Future Starz. That's how we met you.
Yeah.
Which is our show just about pure vocals. Now you're on Junior Star Singer, which is our show all about vocals and songwriting. What is it like in a day in the life of Luke Richards? Tell us a little bit about what you get up to, Luke.
Well, most of my life is dominated by either sports or music. So I'm also quite a sporty person. But then on the other hand, I'm really, really musical. I play guitar. I have guitar lessons once a week. And then whenever I have spare time, I'm always playing guitar, making new songs.
Well, that's it. I mean, that's why you're with us today. You're a great songwriter.
Yeah.
Now, going back to the vocal side, how long have you been singing for? When did it actually start?
Well, I mean, I think I've been singing all my life, really, but I haven't sort of taken it very seriously. So it's normally been doing covers until about a year ago when I thought, well actually, it was when I was about 10 years old. So that was quite a few years ago. And I joined a band in my school, and we started to do covers of songs and perform in assemblies. And then after that, I started to take it more seriously, and I got a guitar for a present for a birthday, and then started to make my own songs.
So you just took a guitar like that and just decided to teach yourself the guitar?
Yeah, well, basically.
Because that's not an easy thing to do, is it? Let's face it. Most people just go out and buy the book.
Yeah.
But you just thought you'd just go for it. And
I thought I'd go for it at the start, and I learnt by using YouTube and looking at different tutorials and, learning different chords, really. And then after that, I got lessons. So I did about 6 months of learning off of YouTube, and then started to get lessons, and then improved rapidly.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah.
So now you're in the studio, obviously working on your first demo. That's with Anthony Goldsborough, who's also going to be mentoring a lot of our contestants for Junior Star Singer. That is an amazing thing in itself, because he's a top producer. Is that nerve-wracking every time you go in there?
I would say definitely not. He's the nicest guy, and he's so funny. The first time I went in there, I got to admit, I was a bit nervous. But then, as soon as I met him, he jokes but he does it in a serious way. So he's really funny, but you can also get things done. So it's a bit like he's a friend, basically.
He's like your pal,
yeah.
You know? So he kind of makes it very easygoing.
Yeah, I mean, we've got our own handshake, so...
Oh, I like that. Maybe you should show us that handshake a little bit later. Now, what preparations do you normally go through before you go into the studio, though?
Well, we sing and practice on our track. So he normally sends us what he's sort of made for us for our backing track, and then I practice singing to it, and I tighten up my vocals, and yeah, I work on ad-libs and harmonies.
Yourself already.
Yeah.
Now, the track we're going to hear now is your first track on your demo. What's it called?
Yes, it is. It's called Walk and Talk.
Let's hear it now.
Come on and walk with me, come on and talk with me, let's go for a while. How do I get you back? How do I show you that I loved you more than before? How do I get you back by my side so I can love you more? When they see me looking at you, you always smile, you always smile. Takes me out of space when I see your face. I don't know what to do, 'cause I can get to you, because you're not mine. I know this won't stop me, I know it can't hold me from you. I know it can't hold me from you. I know this won't stop me, I know it can't hold me from you. These thoughts keep going into my head. Oh yeah. They keep reflecting on love, and I'm just missing you. Yeah, baby. When you see me looking at you, you always smile, you always smile. Takes me out of space when I see your face. I don't know what to do, 'cause I can get to you, 'cause you're not mine. I know this won't stop me, I know it can't hold me from you. I know this won't stop me, I know it can't hold me from you. I know this won't stop me, I know it can't hold me from you. Can't stop me.
And we'll be back after the break.
Bringing people and communities together on SecklowSounds.org.
Okay, welcome back. And our last contestant for today, we have Washira, welcome to the studio.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? All right?
I'm fine.
You've got this lovely confident air about you. You don't look remotely nervous.
I am kind of nervous, but I'm
You hide it well.
excited. Yeah.
Excited. Well, it's a fabulous opportunity. So, I gathered today you are singing an original song.
Yeah, that I wrote myself.
You've written it yourself. And what's it called?
I've Never Been Loved.
Never Been Loved. Okay, well, I think it's about time to hear it. Take it away.
Okay, thank you. Can't you see it in my eyes? I've been blind with all your lies. Man, it's sad to say I've never been loved. Man, I should have known you want me in the friend zone.